What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. In this video we'll talk a little bit more about recent proposals. We'll also talk about the technicals, but to be honest, Luna Classic right now is just moving sideways in this weekend, or ever since Friday, just because there isn't a lot of volume. I mean, if we take a look at the volume of Luna Classic right now, it has dropped down to 50 million, which is a level of volume we haven't seen in a very, very long time. But there are some interesting developments around the fundamentals, and I wanted to talk about that. So the most recent proposal was yesterday. I talked about a proposal of the like half of the burned Luna Classic tokens could be minted again. I'm not actually sure if that is true. I couldn't find any news about that anymore. But what I could find is this proposal, which just came out 2 days ago, right? So it's still, people can still vote on it. Basically, the thing would be that the Luna Classic will break free from Terraform Labs and Do Kwon, which I think is 100% bullish. And it will allow Terra Rebels to withdraw 900 million Luna Classic tokens from the pool, which is worth 150,000. That doesn't matter that much. I think that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. And then they can create Rebel Station, right? So that would then be a substitute for Terra Station. I believe, but so yeah, Terra Rebels declared independence from TFL and Do Kwon in proposals since they knew it was impossible. Yeah, so altogether, I mean, these are some interesting fundamentals, right? I think they are a little bit more bullish for Luna Classic than they would be bearish, but they won't make the market move that much. And I really want to know about the other governance, but I couldn't find it. I mean, you have to download Terra Station. I mean, we could check out. No, I'm not going to do this right now. But I will look up after the video if there's any more news I need to know, and then if there is any, I will just post it in the comments. But with the news we just have right now, also given the fundamentals in the market, right? So the economic circumstances in the macroeconomic circumstances and how they impact the market, a pretty big week is coming up. Also for Luna Classic, because that proposal is coming through. I think if the proposal actually passes, I think that would be a little bit more bullish for Luna Classic, and we might go up a little bit more. But I don't think we're going to get a rally or a bull run. In the end, if you zoom out to the daily, you can see a very clear market structure, and I don't think there's there's only one thing that could really change this market structure, even though you could argue that we have already changed it. But the one thing that could really change this downtrend is a new good proposal, all right? A really good proposal, something with a burn, something like this is just not going to cut it. But yeah, so that's just my opinion, of course, but I don't think that this proposal particularly is going to change anything. So what I expect, I mean, first of all, as you could see by the analysis, I expected us to drop. I actually think that there is a good chance that we will not have that drop. As I said, next week could be very bullish economically for the market. And I am expecting some more bullish momentum heading into the week for the market. So I think Luna Classic, even though it doesn't normally correlate a lot with other cryptos, I think it is going to catch on to that bullish momentum a little bit. So what I expect for Luna Classic is actually that we will find support here around 17,000, maybe a little bit below that. But that we can hold that and maybe like get up to 17,500, 17,750, something like that. Perhaps even 18,000, but that would only be if Bitcoin really gets up to 18,000. So I don't expect that, but I think we'll have some more bullish momentum, and we'll just stay in this uptrend for a little bit longer for Luna Classic. And then we'll see how the voting goes. I'll make sure that I can actually access the governance, so I can tell you a little bit more about that. But for now, it's pretty quiet and boring on the Luna Classic side. And it's really going to be waiting for some more momentum coming from the market and some more momentum coming from the governance to see whether we can actually do something like this. But for now, this would be my most likely scenario. So that's my take on Luna Classic this Sunday. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.